One of the things we'll talk to them about is their view of technology. As it relates to automation, security. Do you travel a lot? So I like my shades to move up and down while I'm traveling. You can operate the whole house from your phone, from an app, from the touch of a button. I don't even operate mine. As people can start to see in, my shade's lower, so I don't ever have to touch anything.
Working with Drapery Street is really exciting. It's full of technology, every project's different.
And we get very specific about where the wiring goes, because when we don't have control over it, I've never seen the wire in the right place. So people are like, oh, I can wire. I'm like, 18 years, I have yet to see the wire always in the same place. So we walk through every window and make sure that wire's in the right place. And the reason that's so important is if you wallpaper later, you don't want to move the wire after you've wallpapered, or if you've done paint or a faux treatment. So we know rework is expensive, so let's get it right the first time.